Hi, Martin here from Bikes and Biscuits. We're here today to have a look at John's motorcycle collection and hopefully get one of them running which hasn't been run for a while. Today's biscuit is a Stroop waffle, which is like a Belgian waffle thing. Just happen to have some in the cupboard. They're really nice. So yeah, let's go and have a look. So this is the bike collection. We've got an RD250 LC, something like 1980. We've got an XT500 that John's done up really beautifully. Another XT which you can't quite see, but that's I think also in really stunning condition. RGV250, beautiful bike. John said nothing wrong with that, absolutely perfect condition. You've got an R1 in the corner there, classic again, really beautiful. And what's that, another XT500 in tip-top shape, I think, almost completely finished, just needs the clocks. Really lovely. Gold rims on that one. Then you've got a KH250 Kawasaki triple. I actually really like that one. I've had two bikes off of John, I must admit, and they've both been really fantastic. Then we got RD250 DX, is that John?
Yeah.
DX, I think they call it. Not quite my cup of tea, but I know they've got a bit of a following. They're called two-stroke. Now this is the one we're going to look at, which John says hasn't run for quite a while. We're going to have a go at getting her going. We can uncover her. And oh look, it's a nice colour. This is a KH400, so it's kind of like this one's big brother, if you like. Really nice looking bike. So we're going to pull that out and see if she'll run. Alright, so we've got her outside, and yeah, we're going to try and start it up. John's just checked out that the fuel's getting into the carbs, which it is. So yeah, let's have a go. Just before we start it up, let's have a quick look at the bike. Two-stroke triple KH400, 1978. At the time, pretty fast bike for a 400. Piston ported, 3 carbs. Obviously in those days, lots and lots of chrome. I really like the user area. Classic, kind of classic grips. And the whole look of it in the speedo and the rev counter. Really classic look. Really nice. Disc front brake, which is probably very modern for the time. Yeah, KH400. Let's get her running. Let's see if it runs. Come on, baby.
I want it to start first.
Let's see. Wait. Nice. Oh, running on one of the cylinders, not running. Very nice. Two pipes one side and one pipe the other. So at this point we realised it's only running on 2 cylinders, so some tinkering was needed. So we think it might have fouled up the middle plug. Apparently these were renowned for fouling plugs. So much so apparently that they had underneath the seat, they had an area for keeping spare spark plugs. The KHs were renowned for fouling up plugs apparently. And so you can see here, underneath the seat is an area for keeping spare spark plugs, which really is quite funny. Rather than solve the problem, they just provided an area with a little cover for your spare plugs. Better than no solution, I guess. We found that the plug is actually wet, so therefore kind of hopeful. And that little bit I just did about the spare plugs, we're going to need them. We're going to need them to come into play here. What we got? Is that the same plug?
Yeah. Yeah, B8. Slightly hotter range, but it'll be alright.
Right, be alright to run it. So yeah, That's why you need your plug holder and your KH. Right, now back to the tinkering. You always have to do some tinkering if you've got a two-stroke. So John's just going to put the plug back in the centre, and hopefully we can show you what it actually should sound like rather than a slightly feeble version of itself. So we've got the new plug in, but we've got to take off the little doobry on the top there. We just forgot about that because these plug caps need that taking off. So yeah, John's just taking that off now. Alright, let's try it again. Doesn't sound good. We thought the new plug would do it, but it didn't sound good. So now we are going to look at the carb. Okay, so we're trying to get to that centre carb, which we think might not be getting fuel. I just took the left hand cylinder carb off, and now I'm going to try and get that centre one off. Alright, I've got access to that centre carb. It just pops off the spigot there, and yeah, we just need to get the bottom of that off. All that looks, I can see fuel already, so that's making me wonder if it is that. There's fuel in that carb. Possibly the jets are completely blocked. Let's have a look. Alright, I've got the bottom off that carb and absolutely full of crap in the bottom of there. So I'm going to give that to John. He's going to clear it up, get it clean, and then I'm going to look at what's going on with the rest of the carb. Okay, sorry, I'm having another one of those Stroop waffles. So, got the main jet out, and that was blocked. So we've just carefully cleaned that out with a wire cleaner, giving it a bit of a blast through with some carb cleaner, and then we're just going to check the pilot jet. Right, got the pilot jet out. That is actually absolutely fine. I've checked the hole through to there. I've squirted carb cleaner through and it comes out where it should do, so that's all good. Let's put it back together. Now it was time to put it back together again to see if it will run on 3 properly. Right, got that middle carb on. Just going to put this outer carb back on and get the rubber on, and yeah, I think we'll be there then. See if it will actually run on 3. Right, so I've got that outer carb back on now. Just checked everything. I think actually I've got to just do that up. Just give that a tighten. Everything else is in place. After I've done this, we'll see whether it runs. So now we've done the carbs, and yeah, let's see if it will run on 3. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, I think it is. And now it's running on 3. Yay! But let's just double check. Oh! Yep. Nice. Worth doing. Rev it up properly, man. There it is, running properly. Hey. Nice. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe and hit the bell and all that. Thanks very much. Bye bye. We will do some more videos of John's bikes, so do look out for those. Thanks for watching.